In this video, you'll learn how to acquire an American accent using the ElevenLabs platform. By following these instructions, you will be able to navigate through the interface and select the appropriate voice settings for your needs. Begin by visiting the ElevenLabs website, enter quote enamlabs.io quote into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once the website loads, locate and click the login button. This action will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, look for the Voices option in the navigation menu. Click on this to access the voice library. This section contains various voice options, including different accents, which will be essential for your task. Next, you will find a search box within the voice library. Type American into this search box and observe the results that appear. The system will display voices that match your search criteria. It is crucial to ensure you are selecting a voice specifically designed for an American accent. Once you have identified the desired voice from the search results, click on it to select it. After selecting the voice, locate the Add to My Voices button and click it. This action will save the voice to your personal library, allowing you to access it easily for future use. Proceed to the Text to Speech section, which is typically accessible from the main menu. Click on this option to begin configuring the text-to-speech settings. This is where you will input your text and select the voice you just added. In the text-to-speech section, look for the model option and click on it. A list of available models will be displayed. You need to select 11 Multilingual VD2 from this list. This model supports various accents and is ideal for generating an American accent in your speech synthesis. After selecting the model, you will need to choose your voice. Click on the voice drop-down menu and select the American accent voice you added earlier. This final selection will ensure that the text you input will be spoken in the desired American accent. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.